Chris Pine. More Chris Pine. The best Chris Pine movies, 52 of 264. The best male actors working today, 384 of 1017. The best actors in film history. Tom Hardy. Somerhalder. Johnny Depp. Chris Pratt. More Chris Pratt. 20 funny Chris Pratt memes to brighten your day, 27 of 264. The best male actors working today, 275 of 1017. The best actors in film history. Justin Timberlake. More Justin Timberlake. The best songs for it. Justin Timberlake, 243 of 603. The best rock vocalists, 119 of 739. The best singers of all time. Michael Fassbender. Chris Hemsworth. Idris Elba. More Idris Elba. 15 facts about Idris Elba that will make you even thirstier. The best Idris Elba movies, 21 of 264. The best male actors working today. Hugh Jackman. Jason Momoa. More Jason Momoa. 27 Jason Momoa interview moments that prove he's the smoothest superhero of the sea. 698 of 1017. The best actors in film history. 2 of 188. The hottest men of 2021. Rank. Pedro Pascal. More Pedro Pascal. 33 Pedro Pascal interview moments that prove he is equal parts hilarious and wholesome. 22 posts appreciating Pedro Pascal, our favorite Mandalorian. 4 of 29, the most eligible bachelors of 2021. Gerard Butler. Bradley Cooper. More Bradley Cooper. The best Bradley Cooper characters, 11 of 264. The best male actors working today, 71 of 1017. The best actors in film history. Joe Manganiello. More Joe Manganiello. All the ways Joe Manganiello is trying to make Dungeons and Dragons mainstream cool. 137 of 242. The hottest men of 2019. Ranked 349 of 595 American public figures who are national treasures. Kit Harington. More Kit Harington. 21 of 188. The hottest men of 2021. Ranked 59 of 71. The best living English actors. 24 of 54. The best English actors working today.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.